Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook angel hair pasta. To start, select a large pot, ensuring there is plenty of room for the pasta to expand. Fill your pot with at least 4 quarts of cold water, then add 1 full tablespoon of sea salt. Bring this salted water to a vigorous, rolling boil over high heat, creating the perfect environment for your delicate pasta. Once your water is at a full, rolling boil, carefully add 1 pound of angel hair pasta directly into the pot. This amount typically serves 4 to 6 people generously. Immediately and gently stir the pasta with tongs or a long spoon to separate the delicate strands, preventing them from sticking together. Continue stirring occasionally for the initial minute of cooking, ensuring even hydration. Angel hair pasta cooks incredibly fast, often reaching perfection in just 2 to 4 minutes. Begin testing for doneness after about 2 minutes. Carefully remove a strand and taste it. You are looking for an al dente texture, which means it should be firm, yet still slightly chewy. Overcooking even by a minute can lead to a mushy, undesirable result with this delicate pasta. Once your angel hair is perfectly al dente, quickly and carefully drain it using a colander. It is important not to rinse the pasta with cold water, as this washes away the beneficial starches that help sauce adhere. You can reserve about 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water to thin your sauce, if desired. Now, immediately toss the hot pasta with your favorite prepared sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.